Kansas Farm Bureau, the voice of agriculture. To join today or for more information, go to kfb.org or find us on Facebook and Twitter.
Good morning and welcome to Farm Factor on Ag AM in Kansas. I'm your host, Conrad Cabas. Wheat is a staple that feeds the world's population, and Bikram Gill, University Distinguished Professor of Plant Pathology, has devoted more than 30 years to researching wheat genetics at Kansas State University.
So we're standing here in the Wheat Genetics Resource Center laboratory, and this is housed in the newly constructed Kansas Wheat Innovation Center built by Kansas wheat growers. And our major focus is conservation of wheat genetic resources and use them for wheat crop improvement in Kansas.
Gill is an international expert in wheat research, and he heads a team responsible for wheat seed preservation and improvement and mapping of the genome of wheat plants at the Kansas Wheat Innovation Center.
We house a gene bank, and it has a collection of ancient wheats which are collected from all over the world, especially from the Middle East. Middle East is the birthplace of bread wheat. It originated around 10,000 years ago in Iran, and we have collection of all those ancient wheats, and we are studying these. So essentially every day we are growing these in the greenhouses just to maintain these accessions. We are evaluating them for useful traits, for example, high protein, drought, or heat stress, or disease or insect resistance. And then those strains which have these useful traits, then we crossbreed them with Kansas wheat to develop new varieties for the farmers.
Kansas Wheat's resources allow breeders to create new varieties of wheat with specific desirable characteristics, such as more resistance to disease and insects. Gill's team performs research at K-State's Wheat Genetic and Genomes Resource Center, which he directs. Gill travels the world, especially in the Middle East, uncovering seeds to bring to Kansas to experiment and conduct studies on.
So the making crosses of some of these ancient wheats of the modern wheats is actually a very difficult task. You need what we call test tube babies. The hybrid seed actually will die. We have to actually go in very early and rescue the embryos and grow it on artificial media in a test tube. And then we need some additional work. So it's a very difficult work, and only our lab is very specialized to handle this sort of research. So we're known all over the world for our work in this area.
Here's another gardening tip with Annette Jackson from Jackson's Greenhouse.
Fairy gardening is now one of the fastest growing hobbies in the country. It is a great way also to introduce your children and grandchildren to the exciting world of plants. Basic fairy gardening is simple, affordable, and may be expanded as your interest grows. Let us help you. Jackson's has the best selection of many plants and accessories in Topeka.
Visit Jackson's and check out our great fairy garden collection. Bring the kids and grandkids too.
Jackson's Greenhouse has what you need today.